Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to apply a vitamin C capsule on your face using an easy method. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This ensures your skin is a clean canvas, ready to absorb the beneficial serum. After cleansing, gently pat your face dry with a soft towel. Make sure your hands are also clean before you proceed to the next step. Now let's get to the capsule itself. Carefully twist or snip the small tip of the vitamin C capsule to open it. Be gentle to avoid spilling any of the precious serum. Once open, gently squeeze the contents directly onto your clean fingertips. Then, dot the serum across key areas of your face, including your forehead, cheeks, and chin, ensuring even distribution. With the serum dotted on your face, it's time to help your skin absorb it. Using gentle, upward circular motions, massage the serum into your skin. Focus on areas where you want to see the most benefit. Continue this gentle massage until the product feels fully absorbed and your skin feels smooth. Allow a few minutes for the serum to completely settle before moving on to your next skincare step. To complete your routine, follow up with your favorite moisturizer. This helps to lock in the vitamin C and provide additional hydration. For the best results, incorporate this easy method into your daily skincare regimen. Consistent use can lead to a brighter, smoother complexion, reduced appearance of dark spots, and more even-toned skin, revealing a healthy, radiant glow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.